Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you about computer shortcuts. Let's move to the video. Number 1. Windows plus T. We can use this shortcut to go to our desktop very quickly from anywhere. It is not a matter if we open one, two or many programs. Now I am opening several programs in my PC. Okay? Yeah. In a normal way, we have to minimize all of these programs like that to go to our desktop. You see that? Okay. Now I maximize this Windows again. Okay. From now, you don't need to worry about it that much. Just press the Windows key and letter D. Let's do it now. Windows and letter D. Did you see that? Now, second one, Alt plus F4. We can use this shortcut to close any programs. Okay. Now I am going to show you. Now I am opening Microsoft Word. In a normal way, we close it by pressing this button. Now, you don't need to worry that much. Just press the Alt and F4. Yeah. And I do it again. To close this program in a normal way, I have to close by this button, but in the shortcut, just press the Alt and F4. Just press the Alt and F4. Yeah. Number 3. Ctrl Shift and N. Ctrl Shift N. We can use this shortcut to create new folder. Let's see how it's work. I just open this folder to show you that. In a normal way, we create folders by right click on the mouse, go to new and folder. Okay, we all know that, and we normally use this method, but you can use that shortcut to do it very quickly. What is the shortcut? Ctrl Shift and N. Press the control button on your keyboard and hold it, then press the shift and hold these two buttons and press the letter N. Yeah, that's how it's work. I show you it again. Ctrl Shift and N. Like that.
This is the end of today's video. I upload new videos about computer tricks every week. If you like to watch my videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Then you can watch my new videos when I upload them. And if you like to know more computer shortcuts, comment below. Then I will give you more amazing shortcuts in my future videos. Thank you guys. See you again. Bye bye.